Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes. I'm Julian and today we'll be making fried eggplant and green lentil salad. So let's start cooking. There are two parts of ingredients for the salad. For the first part, you will need 5 baby cucumbers diced, 1 punnet of grape tomatoes cut in 4, quarter of a red onion diced, half a bunch of parsley chopped, 1 yellow capsicum diced, and for the dressing you will need half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of dried mint, 1 teaspoon of sumac, 1 teaspoon of salt, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. For the second part, you will need 1 large eggplant, peeled and diced, some vegetable oil for frying, half a cup of green lentils, and 1.5 cups of cold water. And this is how your salad should look like. It's a great salad to eat during Soma, so enjoy. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this recipe with your friends. Don't forget to visit my website at assyriandishes.com for more recipes. Happy cooking everyone!